Hey guys, quick little update on the character creation tool. Now we are in number V4, coming with the ninja pack. So if you wanted to create your ninja with a katana or an odachi, or a little bit shorter thoughts with new hoodies or bandanas and all that stuff, well, you can find that as usual, link in the description below. And here, as you can see, you can already download it if you bought it. And of course, hey, boom, these are the few things you can do. You can go pink ninja if you like, or basically, I don't know, go different kind of creations if you wish to. And of course, you can be the ninja with the machine gun, because machine guns are always better than the sword in the end. But of course, hey, what am I saying? This is of course up to you. Alrighty, that was pretty much it. Just a quick little update so you know new stuff has been added to the character creation tool. Have a good one. One up indie.